Let's be seeing secure data aggregation technique for wireless sensor network in the presence of collision attack project. Abstract. In this wireless network wise, we have to transferring the data means it is getting too larger and collision will be attack. This is for our existing process having, but here we are giving to more secure with time duration will be optimize this process. So how can we optimize means before that we have find out the how many sensors available in this network. After that only we have to transferring that data. So initially we have to using for cryptography and splitted data splitted based on sensor based, and then we have to send that each data through sensor. The sensor will be collected overall data and then transferring to base station. The base station will be receiving for overall sensor data. The data will be iteration wise received and aggregation process will be done. So after that we have to, using for cryptography algorithm, we have to decrypt that data, and then we have using that our normal data, like our normal data. This is for our flow diagram. First of all, we start the process data insert, so ready to start your process, and then data split out based on sensor availability, and then cryptography technique using here. So sensor, how many sensor we have to find out that. So transferring that the data is based through base station, and then iteration filter algorithm wise we can to receive that for each data, and then aggregation process will be done. Now let's be seeing running procedure of this process. We run it overall packages first. This is the resume window. This is our home page. Here input the data like this form wise. The current video file will be showing like this panel. We have to encrypt the data. We sent it the data to base station. Here we receive that data. It's take time for sending process. It's completed successfully. Now we run it each sensor separately. So we have to finish to running process. Now we configure the base station with sensors. For each station we have to giving separate IDs. Here we receive that acknowledgement will be showing. We get the current data and then split out the data through JF splitter tool. We can take the corresponding data and then output where we will show it. You can choose it here. We get the obtain the datums and size will be showing. Click remit button. For each completion we can get acknowledgement. First acknowledgement came now. 20% will be completed. Second acknowledgement came. Third acknowledgement came. Fourth acknowledgement came. So overall data we have to receive that. Before that we start the designation point. So here we click the designation point. It's getting a time. So here we aggregate the process. Here we decrypt the that particular data.